You see it? Time to get this stuff out of here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are about to take the rest of this dash out of here. We're gonna sit it on here, and then we're gonna vacuum the car, and then we gotta pressure wash this thing in the inside. In the inside, guys. We gotta get in here and pressure wash. I can't see that good, this camera. Sunlight, I feel like the sunlight is shining on it pretty bad. But yeah, let's get started with this, man, because this, I don't know, this shouldn't take long to get this thing out of here. Shouldn't. Okay. Shouldn't take long, but let's do this. Get out piece by piece. I'm holding on that old middle. You probably gonna need this for the vacuum. When it's time to vacuum the water up out of this thing. Gotta take back up out of here. That's the roof. Get that off of there. Put that away. Okay. That's nothing. Okay. There it is. Not too bad, I don't think. Okay, we got that out. Okay, we're almost done here. That should be fine. Now, let's see. I already forgot where these things go. Let's sit them on the top and get them out the way. I'll sit them on the sides where they're supposed to go. So I'm going to sit everything on this side of the car on this side. Okay. Now, let's vacuum. Should I? Yeah, let me vacuum all the stuff out of here right now. So you know, just to get stuff out of here. Vacuum this. Time to vacuum. Alright. Guys can see. That good? Okay. have it. It is done. Let's see. Let's look in here. Yeah, that vacuum helped a lot. It did. Now we gotta remove this and this. Let me get my tools. No, let's see. See if these tools that I have in here might work, but I don't have the socket here. Let's see. My God. Tell you, when you lose tools, not a good thing. Going all over the place looking for them. Now let me go get them out of my truck. Be right back. Okay, let's see. Get these things out. Get these screws out. Okay, that's not working. Let's see. I think I had the right one the first time. Let's see. Man, what am I doing? I get real clumsy right now, guys. That one's too small. That one's too big. Too small, too big. Again, too big, too. By the time I get this video will be over. Okay. Just gonna move these out the way here. Don't want them to get wet. Don't want my keys to get wet either. I just feel like I'm rushing. That's exactly what it feels like. It feels like I am rushing. And I shouldn't be rushing. But it feels like I am. For what? For what? Okay, we got that one off. Let's throw that in the back. Excuse me, let's throw that in the back seat. Okay. Now, let's remove this little one right here. I think we only need to loosen these two. Yeah. Just these two. Let's come up. Get out of here, you stupid mosquito. No blood for you. Oh, man. Don't you hate mosquitoes? I hate them. Catch millions of them. Make a burger out of them. That is something I would not do. So, let's see. We got it now. Got those out. Okay. Now, one step closer. Okay. Now, I guess it's time to begin. Time to start spraying this gun. It's time. It's time to spray. Okay. Let's see how much time we got. I don't know. Let's see. I might do it in the next video, guys. Trying to get as much videos as possible, right? Let's see. I hate it. Sorry. Let's see how much time we got. 15 minutes, guys. I think this camera ends in 15 minutes. It's 14:25. So, guys, we are going to do the washing in the next video. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one where we're spraying this thing down. Guaranteed. See you back in yard 2, not 1. And we'll see you. Peace.